Hey guys, welcome back to part 2 of Tunnel of Gold. So today we'll be working on the beetle. So we can just put this thing in. If green flag is clicked, it'll set gigging to N, which means no. So it'll go to front layer. I'll set size to 50 because I think the beetle is honestly way too big. I'll point in direction 90 and it'll go to this position. So that's just part of the beetle code. There's still a lot to go. So beetle code. So we also have to do the movement for the beetle. So when I receive start game, it'll go forever. It'll go forever. It'll go forever in an if-then statement. The key up arrow is pressed, then it'll go up. So it's going to point in direction 0, which is up. And it'll go to the next, well, we don't have a costume right now, but you can draw one if you want to. So if you wanted a costume, I'll show you how to draw one. Just duplicate the next costume. We can just move its legs a little bit and all that stuff, like turn it a little bit, like all its legs. Not all of them, but just some of them. Just move them. Just turn them a little bit. So yeah, right now I'm turning them. And then you can keep on working on it. So you can also do next costume, move 10 steps, and wait 0.1 seconds. I'm not put the 0.01 seconds yet. I'll show you what's really loud. I'll finish the up arrow, down arrow, everything, and then I'll show you. So wait 0.1 seconds. Let's just actually take this out because I'm gonna show you later. And then we can just duplicate this. It's simple. Do the down arrow instead. Instead I'll point in direction 180, which is pointing to the bottom if you didn't know. I'll go next costume, same thing, and then wait 0.1 seconds, but we're not doing that yet. And then we can also code the next one. It's a bit different because it's for right and left arrow keys, so let's change this to right arrow. I'll point in direction 90. Next costume, move 10 steps. That's it. And then we can do this again. But then we can do left arrow. And there you go. So this is also not 0.90, it's -90, so it's pointing to the left. I'm gonna demo it for you. As you can see, we can like walk through like everything. And that's not good. That's not how it's supposed to go. Because you can just hold down the arrow key and you just go through everything. So you need the 0.1 second. So I'm gonna work on another type of code first before I do that. And then when I receive start game, it will go forever. This will prevent the bugs from moving out of the light area. So we can move that down here. And then you need a if-then statement. And then an if-then statement. So, or and an and. So we can put this like that. So we'll go to a sensing, touching, if-then, touching rocks, and you need the touching color one. Touching color. Let's see if that's the right color first. Eyedropper, that color. So I think that was a little bit different. And then we can also use and then equal sign, digging equals N. That means no. So you can't dig when you're doing that. So we can just move that right there, and then you need another if-then statement. If-then equals. This is the direction of the bug, so direction equals 90, which is right side. And then it'll change x by -5, so go back. So you can also do the left side. It will change x by 5. And then you can also do down and up. But instead it's change y. So we can do 0, which is pointing to the top. And instead of change x, it's change y by -5. Just put this inside, but then this one, put that right there actually. And then we put that to 180. Change y by 5. And then also need an if-then statement that's under all of this, and touching the gold color. It's gold color. That means it'll broadcast a new message called "You win." And then beetle, we're still working on the beetle. And then when I receive "You win," say stop other scripts in Sprite. It'll say I got the gold. For 2 seconds, and it'll stop all. So we can add a digging. So when D is pressed, so where's that when key D is pressed, stop other scripts in the sprite. I meant digging, set digging to Y, broadcast and wait a new message called dig, and then set digging to N. after you're done digging, it'll set it back to end. Now we're working on the digging sprite. We'll work on this later. We'll add that later. So the dig sprite. So don't have any code. Actually, we do have a little bit code in here. So when I receive dig, it will point in direction of the beetle. So you always have to change the back first, the direction of the beetle, and then it'll move 20 steps. So it'll dig in the where the beetle is, stamp, and then when I receive you win, then stop other scripts in this sprite. As you can see, you're using this to do it, and then you can dig. It's raining outside right now, so. And you got the gold, and let's see if the rocks work. So, as you can see, the digging to end. So I'm gonna also add the stop other scripts in this sprite into the gold, so the timer will stop. Is it there? Why is it not going in there? Probably somewhere. There it is. There's 2 of them. So there we go. And then I'll show you the bug. As you see, if you hold the thing, it'll let you go through the dirt. So you need to wait 0.1 seconds right here. So I'm just going to do that. So I'm going to try it. As you can see, you can't, I'm holding it right now, and you cannot go through. And you can dig too. See, and then the rocks block you from exiting. So I'm holding right now. And then you got the gold. And the timer will stop. So it took me 12 seconds to beat this game. So anyways, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel, and comment in the comment section below to see what else content you want to see. So see you guys.